What's up guys, today we have another unboxing. We have unboxing of a legend, a mouse legend. Back in 2008 I think I bought this mouse. It's an A4Tech X7. Back in the day there was a lot of mice that ruled the FPS scene. It was the IntelliMouse 3.0, the IntelliMouse 1.1, the Logitech MX series, especially the MX580, and Microsoft Habu, Razer Copperhead, and a couple of other mice. But the idea was that the Microsoft mice were difficult to get a hold on, especially in Eastern Europe, and the other options were very pricey. So what could you do? You either played with a basic mouse or you bought this one. Now the X7 range came with a lot of mice, some that resembled the Intelli 3.0, some were laser, some were optical, like this one. This one is the 2000 DPI X710BK. This was the version that I had, and there was also a X718BK, which I think was with 3200 DPI, and this one has only 2000 DPI. The mouse comes with a Oscar mouse editor for all your macros. You don't need to worry about driver because you store them straight on your mouse and you are ready to go. One click to turn around 180 degrees, one click to perform game stunts, one click to buy all weapons, one click to assign strategic tasks. Keep in mind this mouse can be used also for MMORPG games, not only FPS. Alright, so it has Oscar mouse editor software, tailor-made macros, sensitivity LED indicator, triple fire button, 160 kilobytes memory on board, braided cable in symmetric design. It has a PixArt optical engine, resolution from 100 to 2000 CPI adjustable. Default resolution is 400, 800, 1200, 1600 and 2000 CPI. Acceleration is at 30 G, tracking speed 75 inches per second, response time from 125 to 1000 Hz, key response 3 milliseconds. Durability, micro switch over 10 million clicks, left and right button wheel over 300,000 scrolls, and mouse feet over 250 kilometers. Powered by A4Tech. This is a legendary mouse, it means a lot to me, so so many memories will come back. Now let's open the box with my carambit and let's see what's inside. Like I said, I had the same mouse, but the box was bigger back in the day. It was a different box, but with all the same graphics. I see they made the more modern box now. All right, let's take the mouse out. Let's see if we have something else inside. All right. Replacement feet. You can't beat this. I mean, come on. And the one I had before, there was also a CD, a small CD with the Oscar editor. Now let's see. Whoa, man. Teflon feet, A4Tech sensor. It's rubberized, but it's like a textured rubber. I didn't have any issues with the one I used to have, because usually when you have rubber texture it peels off, but the one I had didn't have any issues. Cable is braided. I think this is an upgrade that A4Tech made, because as far as I remember, the one I had didn't have a braided cable. It was a standard cable, but Yeah, man, feels so great. Triple fire button, the legendary triple fire button. Side buttons. Feels very well built, no squeaks. And it's also on the light side. Very well built. Yeah, can't wait to test this baby in Counter-Strike. Yeah, so until next time guys, keep in touch.